My prints look so pixelated. My printer keeps clogging. My designs are not vibrant enough.
Today I'm going to go over DTF tips every decorator needs to know to avoid common mistakes. Let's get right into it. Roll the intro. If you felt attacked by the issues that we mentioned at the start of this video, you're not the only one. I've gone through them as well. Before I show you how to fix them, let's go over the basics. In DTF printing, a design is first printed onto a sheet of specially formulated transfer film. Once the design has been printed, adhesive powder is then baked onto the transfer sheet. This adhesive powder allows decorators to transfer their design onto virtually any fabric or substrate. Thanks to its ease of use, low material costs, and its ability to quickly and efficiently produce vast quantities of high-quality custom apparel, DTF printing is quickly becoming one of the most widely used printing methods on the market. Now that we know our basics, let's jump into our tips. First up, image resolution. Whether you're working with your own design or working with a customer order, you might have noticed pixelation on a design. This issue comes down to the image resolution. Image resolution refers to the number of pixels in an image. The more pixels there are, the higher the resolution and potential quality of the image. In the context of printing, instead of pixels, the resolution is measured in DPI. DPI, or dots per inch, represents the number of ink dots a printer can place in 1 inch. Higher DPI results in better print quality, especially for detailed image and small text. Generally, most digital images have around 72 DPI, but for high quality prints, you want your benchmark to be 300 DPI. If you stick to 300 DPI in your project, you'll say sayonara to pixelated designs. Secondly, we have environment. If you have your DTF in a non-ideal location without climate control, such as a hot garage or a hot basement, you're going to get a lot of humidity. Excessive humidity can affect the drying process of the ink and lead to poor print quality. Additionally, it will cause your transfer film to be so humid that the adhesive powder will stick to the borders of your design. On the other hand, if you live in a dry or cold location, your humidity levels are going to be very low. Low humidity can cause the printer's ink to dry, clog nozzles, and even banding. In summary, the ideal humidity levels for working with printing should be controlled and it should be around 40% to 60%. If your humidity is too high, there are dehumidifiers that will help you get to a stable environment. And if your humidity is too low, a humidifier is the way to go. Lastly, we have cold peel versus hot peel transfer film. Both cold transfer films and hot transfer films are used to transfer printed designs onto various substrates. The main difference between them lies in the transfer process, specifically in the temperature requirements for the transfer. For hot peel, the pressing temperature varies between 330 and 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 seconds. Then it's peeled while hot right after, with little to no waiting time. For cold peel, the pressing temperature varies between 310 to 330 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 seconds. Then it needs to cool down before peeling, a minimum of 30 seconds to a minute. Different manufacturers have different pressing and peeling times, so it's always best to refer to their guidelines when doing a project. In the cold peel versus hot peel battle, both DTF methods have their strengths in terms of processing efficiency versus wash durability. Hot peel DTF allows for faster batch production, while cold peel DTF can withstand more washes. Alright, that's it for today. I hope that these tips have solved your ongoing problems or prevented them altogether. If they did, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any helpful tips for your business. If you're still looking for more DTF information, then check out our other video doing a comparison between DTF and DTG. It'll be linked in the description. Lastly, let us know in the comments if there are any other tips you'd like to share with the community. Best of luck, and I'll see you on the next one.